Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word lolly in depth. First, the definition. Lolly means a sweet, often on a stick, typically enjoyed as a treat or candy. Think of it simply as a fun, colorful candy that you can lick or suck on. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Lolly traces back to the 19th century British English slang for lollipop. Over time, it's been used by candy makers and kids alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use lolly in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She bought a strawberry flavored lolly to cool down on a hot day. Correct example 2. I offered my nephew a cherry lolly after his soccer game. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to lolly my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using lolly correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Lolly means a sweet treat on a stick. It comes from 19th century British English, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with lolly down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.